brunch. I was planning on hanging out in the backyard, but it's so freaking windy. Oh my gee. So I'm just gonna take a quick look in my garden and go back inside. I don't want to get sick. I'm already happy. These are sprouting. See, I was supposed to clean this one, but I've been lazy, so it'll wait. And broccolis are forming right there. And this one over here. Happy, but I'm really after the broccolini though, the shoots for stir fry. Can't wait for this one to mature for next year. Next year. It's next year na pala. This year for spring. It's still green. And my baby pomegranate, no more leaves. My avocado, still good. No more leaves for my persimmon. And another avocado is still good. And the apple, no more leaves. And that one, almost there. I fed them some compost, a little bit, and some coffee ground. They should be happy. And the potatoes are happy. I have all these compost that I need to bury for next planting season. And the plants that I planted, they're not so happy, but they're growing. These are kales. Bok choy. Something also. More kale. I'll have lots of kale, I guess. And these here, just some greens that I scattered. And some onions. They're still babies. Hey guy, hanging out with me in the backyard. Now we're going in.